Welcome to my channel, Lois here, and in today's vlog, I will be showing or sharing with you yung mga favorites ko from Bath & Body Works. The reason why I decided to do this today is because today is the 24th and tomorrow is obviously Christmas. Merry Christmas! And after the 25th, which is the 26th, they will start their semi-annual sale. Tuwing semi-annual sale, nagkakaroon sila ng mga 50% off, 75% off, and yung mga papakita ko naman sa inyo ay hindi naman like bago or yung mga hinol ko ng isang biglaan. In fact, some of these are empties. So, ito yung mga gustong-gustong matagal. Ilang buwan ko nang gusto i-share sa inyo to para kung magkapabili kayo ng like pasalubong or mga fragrances from Bath & Body Works sa inyong mga loved ones from it's either Canada, sa ibang bansa, or sa US man lang, ay makapagpabili kayo sa kanila ng mga mai-recommend ko talaga na mababangong products. Kasi pag hindi ko talaga bet, ipamimigay ko na lang siya. I spray it and try it. Pero pag feeling ko may iba akong relatives or let's say friends or family members na makakagusto ng set na yun, I'll just give it away. So, anyway, without further ado, let's start the video. Let's start first with the empty at almost empty na. Kasi, ito yung mga rare na scents na minsan makikita nyo lang pag semi-annual sale. So, semi-annual sale happens sa June and then December. So, I think twice a year only. Correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, so yung mga ibang scents dito ay yung mga favorite ko talaga. Yung ibang discover ko lang siya sa Philippines. Pero, random na lang to guys. This is Rose. Yung kanyang fragrance notes ay creamy musk, airy rose water, jasmine petals. Kung gusto nyo maging fresh or smelling fresh, amoy powder siya na rose. So, kaamoy nyo yung Marks and Spencer na rose na powder. So, ito talaga ay, ingat-ingatan ko to dahil gusto ko itong ginagamit kapag nagsisimba or pag mga summertime, spring, ganon. Pero, paubos na siya. I've had this for a while na, pero, ayan, paubos na siya. I highly recommend this. Pwede siya sa teenager, pwede rin siya sa dalaga, lalo sa dalaga, tsaka actually sa lahat ng edad, bagay na bagay ito. Kahit yung boss ko, gusto yung set na ito. So, pag nag-sale ulit ito ng 75% or 50% off, I will definitely grab probably 2 bottles of this. Next is, I talked about this before, Vanilla Mocha Martini. May ko kasi mga gourmand scents. So, ito ay Vanilla Orchid, Cozy Cappuccino, and White Tonka Bean. So, rare lang ata to. Bihira ko na lang to makita. Hindi siya available sa store like all seasons. So, usually, kapag holidays lang siya lumalabas or semi-annual sale. Another one that you should actually look out for is Whipped Rose and Vanilla. So, this is, hindi ko mabasa, not raspberry, cocoa flower, whipped foam, and crushed rose petals. So, para siyang ito, and then ito pinagsama. Parang ganun siya. Pero, I love this so much. Whipped Rose Vanilla. I will definitely watch out for this. Kasi, pag minakita na akong ganito, mag-hoard na ako ng mga 2, 3, 4. So, it's not being a hoarder or whatever. Kasi gusto ko yung mga scents sa ganito talaga. Tapos kapag hindi ko naman siya like masyadong bit, iniiwan ko sa office ko din sa drawer ko para pag gusto ko mag-freshen up, may pabango ko pag meron ako ma-interview na student. So, ayan. Whipped, Rose and Vanilla. Next is Boardwalk Taffy. This is sponge sugar, pink berries, and whipped vanilla. So, my suggestion is when you're buying fragrances from Bath & Body Works, always check on the notes. Kasi may na-experience ako before na I think about 2 or 3 scents, but I just realized na same yung notes niya, kaya pala magkaamoy siya. So, I don't know if nagdi-differ lang siya dun sa amount ng sugar, amount ng isang notes, amount ng isang vanilla. Siguro, I don't know, pero same notes lang talaga siya. So, top notes, middle notes, tapos ayun yung isa pang notes, whipped vanilla. Pero, this is very mabango. Para siyang, amoy marshmallows talaga. Ganun yung, para sa akin, amoy marshmallows siya. Kung gusto nyo ng, para amoy yummy, ganon. Ito ang bilihin nyo, Boardwalk Taffy. Next naman ay Bonfire Bash. So, again, mahilig ako sa mga creamy and vanilla scents, aside from like floral. Vanilla Bourbon, Creamy Sandalwood, Cashmere Musk. This is Bonfire Bash. I've had this for more than 2 years now. It still smells good, pero between this and this, I would definitely choose this. So, ito para pining-spray ko na lang siya sa mga unan, sa banyo, ganun. Pero hindi ko na siya masyadong ginagamit. Pero I highly recommend this, especially sa mga teenagers na magugustuhan nyo ito, mga sis. Beach Front Blanket. So this is a very like summery scent. It's a little strong. Para siya may pagka-coconut. I don't know. It smells like coconut. Pero wala naman siyang coconut na notes. It's ang notes niya ay fresh white linen, summer sun rays, soft musk. Ayan. So, ayan yung kanyang packaging. The packaging has already changed. So, ito yung pinaka-old packaging niya. I don't know if I can, where I can see. Hindi ko alam kung makikita ko ba siya. Kung kailan siya ginawa. Parang usually makita mo yung year eh. Anyway, balik na tayo sa ating next scent. So, Strawberry Pound Cake. This is an all-time favorite of everyone. Strawberry Pound Cake is always available I would say, pag malapit na siya mag-holiday season, mga October lumalabas na ata to. And alam mo, ang tagal na sa akin nito guys, pero sobrang bango pa rin niya. Pero yung formula, parang nag-iba na. I think the formula has changed a little bit. Pero I super love this. Bango-bango niya, lalo na kapag para kang na sa bakery, gano'n, para ka na sa, para siyang it reminds you of strawberry shortcake, gano'n. So, yung mga scents na hindi ko nilalagay, ipa-flash sa screen, basta i-fast forward nyo na lang or screenshot nyo na lang kung makita nyo. Anyway, another rare scent, pero lotion lang to, is yung bourbon strawberry and vanilla. So, wala siyang notes na nakalagay here, but strawberry, tas may bourbon, may coconut oil siya, and vanilla. Grabe, sobrang bango talaga nito. So, this is different from this one, ha? This is a little more strawberry sexy sweet. Ganun yung scent niya. So, again, bourbon, strawberry, and vanilla. So, we've already talked about this. I've talked about this already, yung rose. So, ayan, pinipare ko siya, guys. Tagang titipit-tipit ko yan. Now, gusto ko naman next ay yung isa sa mga classic scents na talaga namang binabalik-balikan. So, ito yung isa sa pinaka-ginagamit ni Heart Evangelista, Dark Kiss. So, ang scents niya ay black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot, incense, dark vanilla bean, plum musk. Ang dami niyang notes. So, parang, but when you spray it, it just smells sophisticated. Like, ay nako, bango talaga. Makara is watching me. Our cat. Super sexy niya. Kaya ito yung lagi kong babalik-balikan. Ang tagal na nito eh. Parang ito yung isa sa pinaka-luma or not luma, original scents nila. Mga batch ng scents. And then next is Into the Night. Matagal na rin to. So this is Raspberry Noir, Amber Crystals, Velvety, Rose Petals, Creamy Patchouli, and Mocha Musk. So this one is also sophisticated. It's a very sophisticated scent. Pero mas gusto ko pa rin to compared here. Although ito paubos na I have to admit. Pero sexy scents talaga, this two. Perfect. And then isa sa mga classic scents na I think they've had this for a while tapos nawala and then binalik na naman nila, Warm Vanilla Sugar. So this is Intoxicating Vanilla, White Orchid, Sparkling Sugar, Fresh Jasmine, Creamy Sandalwood. Anything that has vanilla and sandalwood, gusto ko talaga. So ito, parang, it reminds me of, alam niyo yung Body Fantasies na vanilla. Ganun yung amoy niya, pero mas gusto ko yung Body Fantasies kasi mas strong yung pagka-vanilla. So, yung like chocolatey, ganun. Warm Vanilla Sugar. This one is Luminous. So, this is a very, very seductive, parang sophisticated scent. This is Luminous by Bath Body Works, syempre. Kanyang notes ay ruby currant, gilded iris, praline amber, and super empty na talaga. Marinig, empty na siya. Ito, empty na rin. Talagang, dapat sinama ko siya sa product empties ko eh. Pero, ito yung isa sa mga pinakabibiling ko talaga ulit. Meron pa akong body cream or body butter. Nito, grabe, super bango. I always get a lot of compliments every time I use this fragrance or scent. Ayan o, meron pa pala akong isa, hindi ko alam. So, ito, empty na. Ito, meron pa akong spare dito. Gagamitin ko siya for, actually, this holiday season. So, ubusin ko na to this winter. Tapos, balik na naman tayo sa spring. Rotation lang yung aking mga scents. So, marami nagkabango sa akin. Dami-dami pabango, pinakapabango. Ganyan, ganyan. Kasi, gusto nga iba-iba yung amoy ko. Parang, it depends on my mood. There are people, like other YouTubers that I've watched, na talaga namang ang dami nilang collections. Don't worry, if in the event that we might get a bigger place someday, I'll definitely have my own room of collections and whatever products that I really like. Pero for now, well, honestly, I don't really care about collecting a lot of fragrances kasi nasasayang lang din. So, siguro review na lang tayo. But then again, this is one of my favorites. Again, this one. Ay yung Forever Red. So, eto, never ko pa nagagamit to. Pero, correct me if I'm wrong ha, kasi this confuses me with You're the One. Pero You're the One is really good. Forever Red has fiery, pomegranate, red peony, rich vanilla rum, and oak wood. So, na-spray ko na siya kanina. Alam mo, kaamoy siya ng pabango ng boss ko. Hindi ko maintindihan, pero ang bango talaga. This reminds me of something, pero this is gonna be one of my favorites. Parang I've noticed, I've been loving scents that has like red packaging or parang, yeah, red packaging. So, sa akin to, hindi ko to ipapamigay. So, gagamitin ko to. And I have to choose lang yung mga gagamitin ko for the next year. Kasi marami pa ako mga gourmand scents dito. So, next, random na lang tayo. So, champagne toast. Ito ay very citrusy and sweet. Bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, juicy tangerine. So, maraming girls or women ang gustong-gusto ang scent na to. So, obviously naman, paubos na rin siya. Oh, naubos ko na siya halos. Kasi nga, everyday nag-change ako ng scents or every week, depende again sa mood at sa occasion. So, next, this is one of their new scents. Perfect Pink or Perfect in Pink. I actually sprayed this earlier, tsaka nung nasa store ako. I just realized how much I really don't like the cherries. So, but the note, obviously, the notes has cherries, pink camellia, whipped almond cream. But if I'm gonna smell it again, I don't know. It's so, parang strong yung cherry. Parang amoy wine. Again, iba-iba naman yung body chemistry natin. So, maaring sa iba ay, pag na-spray na sa katawan or sa body ay maaring too strong, maaring too light, hindi masyado nag-aamoy. Sa akin kasi parang mas okay vanilla scents. Okay naman siya, pero hindi ko alam kung, I don't know. I think I'll try to keep this. I don't know. If not, then I'll just give it, papasalubong ko na lang sa Pilipinas. Pero, pwede na rin naman siya. Pero mas gusto ko pa rin talaga tong Forever Red compared to this one. And next naman ay from the, I think, summer collection. This is the Fruity Sherbet Scoop. So, this has rainbow sherbet, zesty orange, sun-kissed strawberry. So, ito ay gagamitin ko sa summertime. Naku, paiba-iba na amoy natin. Pang summer ko yan. And then, my all-time favorite, like, I know I told you, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko ngayon, pero sa mga gourmand and classic scents, this is my top 1 favorite. This is the Vanilla Bean Noel. So, naalala ko sa Makati, may Cash and Care, doon pa ako bumibili or nakapabili ng mga, ng mga body mist. I would always go for vanilla because it smells so delicious. So, ayan, amoy ko na naman siya. Pating lotion, body spray, cream, body wash scrub, meron ako noon. So, pero syempre wala ako noon ngayon kasi naubos na siya from last year. Pero, yun ang mga bibiling kong collection sa semi-annual sale. Kung tayo ay mapapadpad sa Bath & Body Works kasi that's not our priority. But, again, I want to share with you kung ano yung mga scents na gusto ko na sana ay magustuhan nyo rin or baka magustuhan nyo rin. And then this one, I think napakita ko na to, Suede Petals, Soft Sandalwood Vanilla Bean. This smells so good. Ito yung vanilla na amoy ice cream, na amoy flower. So, imagine nyo na lang. Like, super bango. Again, fresh vanilla blossom. Highly recommended. If you want to smell like a bakery or very sweet, blueberry-ish, ganon, blueberry bundt cake ang inyong bilhin. So, kasabayan niyo yung strawberry pound cake. I forgot the other one pero available din siya pag holidays. Ang notes ito ay harvest blueberries, honey drizzle, fluffy cake. So, ito yung I remember when I would go to work with this. Parang, okay, you smell like cake. You like smell like blueberry or something. Or muffins. Parang blueberry muffins. Ganun yung amoy niya. Blueberry muffins pero blueberry bundt cake. So, ayan. May idea na kayo. And then, etong nakaraang fall, nag-sale yung mga minis nila. Bumili ako ng Vanilla Romance. Okay naman to. Okay siya pang travel, pero super strong. Hindi ko siya ikikip. I would just give this. Na-spray ko yun siya 2 or 3 sprays, pero I would just give this away. And then we have Sweater Weather. Wala akong mga notes ito ha, pero I highly recommend their fall collection. So, Together Weather. And then they also have the Autumn Drive. Super gusto ko to. Sweet lahat ng notes niya. I'm sorry, I can't really read the notes. Hindi ko hawak isa kong phone to check the notes for you. Pero just look it up. Together Weather, Autumn Drive. And then, again, meron tayong Pumpkin Swirl. Ayun. So, itong Pumpkin Swirl, Blueberry, and yung updated packaging ng Strawberry Shortcake, magkakasabay yan sila lumalabas sa Bath & Body Works every holiday season or usually August or September, October ata. So, this one smells like pumpkin and cake as well. And then, last but not the least, meron akong pumpkin latte from last year. Hindi na ako bumili ng gantong small kasi meron pa ako. Pero, sinisave ko to for the next fall. And then, last but not the least is hot cocoa cream. Ito na yung empty ko na itatapon ko na. Pero, super bango pa niya talaga. Meron pa siyang konti, oh. Pero mahilig ako sa hot cocoa, even sa candles. I've discovered a new candle, by the way. It's called Feliz Navidad or Champurrado. It's color yellow, but hindi ako makakapag-pop sa screen masyado. Pero hanapin niyo lahat itong mga scents na pinakita ko sa inyo. If you have any questions, mag-comment na lang kayo sa description box. But not description. Mag-comment na lang kayo sa comment section below. Pero, it's really, really good. Yung mga pinakita ko sa inyong scents. Kung hindi kayo sa matamis, i-try nyo lang yung mga luxurious na binenshot ko kanina or floral scents like rose. Pero you can always look it up online. Go to the website, check the scents. And again, you can always PM me or DM me on Instagram at Lois Beauty in Life. And you can always put your comment in the comment section below. So, sana guys, naging helpful itong short video na to at sana may tutunan kayo kahit paano sa aking mga shinare. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. God bless and Merry Christmas!